In the credit card world, there are hundreds of cards out there for us to choose from to find what works best for us. Typically, to get a card, you must first find which card you'd like, apply, and hopefully get approved, and then you're good to start using it. What some people might not realize is that there are actually some credit cards that are so prestigious that it requires an invitation to even apply for the card. Assuming you meet their extensive requirements to potentially apply for the card, that doesn't even mean that you will be approved. Some cards involve having millions of dollars of assets with a certain bank, and some cards are so scarce that they're just rumored to exist. Today, I'm going to share with you the 6 rarest credit cards in the world, and trust me, I'd highly recommend looking each of these cards up just to see how rare they are. The final card on today's list is rumored to just have 200 people in the entire world hold it. Jumping right into things, card number 1 is the American Express Centurion Black Card. To apply for this card, you'll have to be invited by American Express, and then after that, you'll have to front a $10,000 initiation fee followed with $5,000 annual fees. There's not a lot rumored about the card itself. There's apparently no bonus offers and just 1 times points for every dollar you spend. With that being said, there are some travel-related perks rumored to be held with the card, including complimentary hotel upgrades, VIP airport lounge access, complimentary concierge service, and just a bunch of other travel-related perks. Holders of the card will have a dedicated personal manager for their Centurion card. This person will just help out with specific financial needs and take care of the smaller things for whoever holds the card. And also enjoy a suite of luxury travel benefits such as automatic elite membership at certain hotels and airlines. There's rumors for private jets and so much more. The card itself is made from anodized titanium, which no other card on the market is. It has a very sleek look, and I can only imagine what it looks like in person. There's no preset spending limit for this card. However, it's expected that Amex Centurion Black Card holders will settle their full amount every single month. For a lot of these cards, a lot of the information is going to be just rumored as they are very exclusive. However, simply holding the Amex Black Card is certainly a flex. Jumping over to card number 2 is the Mastercard Gold Card. This card is made of 24 karat gold and is the only card on today's list that does not require an invitation to apply, but that does not mean it is easy to get. An annual fee of $995, this might be one of the most premium luxury travel cards out there on the market. With it, you can receive a $200 airline credit and $100 TSA pre-check credit. More information is known about this gold card compared to other credit cards out there. Know that you can earn 1 point per dollar spent on whatever purchases you make, and you can redeem your points for 2% on your travel. Included is a 24/7 concierge service, but when you really break things down for this card, I think I'd personally rather go with a much easier card to get, such as the Amex Platinum or the Capital One Venture X. If you're going to pay that much money and get not that much out of it in terms of spending categories, I find it hard to justify it. Although being made of 24 karat gold and being a pretty exclusive card is really awesome to say and show everyone around you. Jumping into card number 3 is the JP Morgan Reserve Card. Formerly referred to as the Chase Palladium Card, this credit card requires an invitation and a bunch of other things to simply apply. Available only to Chase private bank customers, you will need at least $10 million of assets to simply receive an invitation to apply. Assuming you have $10 million to throw at JP Morgan to hopefully get an invitation for the card, you will also be met with a $595 annual fee. Don't worry, you will receive 3 times points at travel worldwide and 3 times points at dining, as well as a $300 annual travel credit. Additionally, you can get 50% more value on your Chase points when you use it for travel with this credit card. And if you do know anything else about other credit cards out there, especially travel ones, this sounds a lot like the Chase Sapphire Reserve. The Chase Sapphire Reserve will offer you a $550 annual fee, which will allow you to earn 5 times points on your flights through Chase and 10 times points on your hotels and rental cars. With that card, you can actually get a sign-up bonus and a bunch of other statement credits and some additional perks as well. I would make the argument that the Chase Sapphire Reserve is better than the JP Morgan Reserve Card, not just because the $10 million you need to put into it, but just as a whole with the spending categories and the little perks hidden within it. Once again, the look on people's faces if you pull out the card and show them, hey, I have $10 million worth of assets with Chase, that'd be pretty cool. At this point in the video, if you have not clicked subscribe or hit the like button, please do so now. Moving on to card number 4 is the Citi Chairman American Express card. This card is very speculated and rumored. Apparently you need a sizable amount of assets with Citi to even receive an invitation to apply. Not a specific dollar amount on how much money you need to apply. However, if I had to guess myself, I'd say it's somewhere near that 10 million mark as we see with the JP Morgan card. Once you get invited and approved for the card, you have to pay an annual fee of $500 to earn a whopping 1% cash back everywhere you go. And if you know anything about credit cards, you might be asking yourself, why don't you just get a no annual fee card? Once again, there is a speculated credit line of $300,000 monthly for this credit card. Once again, this card is more of a flex than anything else, assuming you have a ton of money with Citi and they're just offering you 1% cash back. Basically, you're just going to show off this card and show that you have a ton of money. Again, the card number 5 is the Stratus White Card. The card is actually not an invitation required credit card. However, you do need a referral from someone that currently holds it to be able to apply. Tons of perks with this card, having an annual fee of $1,500, and it's really focused on high premium travel. Included with this card is a concierge service, private jets, charter flights, and a bunch of other nice premium travel perks. Not much is known about this card, and a lot of it is rumored. However, one of the rumors out there is that you need to spend at least $100,000 annually with a credit card to even be able to apply for it. And if you're like the average person out there, you'll realize how much money that is. Now, going into the most exclusive and speculated card in the world, we're going to be talking about card 6, the Dubai First Royal card. The card is speculated as the most rare credit card in the world, with a rumored 200 people holding it, and some of the people that do hold this credit card are supposed to be the Saudi and Dubai royal families. This credit card, there's apparently no credit limit and no restrictions on any purchases you make. Being an invite-only credit card, the odds are not in our favor of receiving an invitation. However, I'm going to keep checking my mailbox every day for the slim chance I see my invitation. There's really no other listed benefits on this card out there. A lot of it is just speculated, but I think if you have a credit card that only 200 out of 7 billion people in the world carry, it's pretty much the biggest flex you can get. That's going to be a wrap on today's list, and by any chance you do hold one of these credit cards, let me know down below which one in the comments, and if you don't, please let me know which one you'd like to have in your wallet. If you're looking for credit cards more up the general population's alley, then be sure to check out my video on the top 2024 credit cards. I also have one on the top no annual fee credit cards for 2024. You guys can go hit that like and subscribe button. It goes a long way in helping me grow the channel. I'll see you guys.